Hello all, this is my homework from Paul McWhorter's Visual Python, the tutorial number 4. The homework for this one was to place a marble in a room, three-dimensional, and then animate the marble. The lesson did the animation in X direction back and forth, and the homework was to animate the marble in 3 dimensions, X, Y, and Z. So here is my code for all of that, and I will post it in the details for this particular video. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it started. As you can see, the ball travels within the X, Y, and the Z directions without going through or beyond the walls. Let's go back and just take a look at the code a little bit. We have importing the Visual Python. I have all of these comments here because they're useful to me to remember some of the things. So we have the concept of this is parameterizing. So we have defined a wall thickness, a radius, a room width, a room depth, a room height. The change in each of the X, Y, Z directions was created as variables. Then I started the marble at a X, Y, and Z of 0, 1, and 1. And I like a snappy little marble, so I set the velocity at 40. So the room is defined and the marble is defined, and its position is based on certain parameters. So I've defined the X, or the right marble edge, and the left marble edge. I've defined the Y, or top marble edge, Y and bottom marble edge, and a Z as a front marble edge and a rear marble edge. So setting the edges for the left and right, ceiling and floor, and rear wall and front wall. Even though there is not a front wall, you can still set an edge for where that wall would be if it were indeed there. So the key to this is the 3 if statements. It says if the right marble edge is greater than the right wall edge, or less than or equal to the left wall edge for the left marble edge. That way it doesn't go through the wall. Same for the Y with a ceiling edge or floor edge, and the Z, rear wall edge and front wall edge. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or leave a comment. I will be, like I said, posting this code for this with the details of the video. Have a great day.